Hey, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic with your tech tip for today. A lot of times when you're working on your car, you may end up with a situation that you hadn't seen before and you're not quite sure how to fix it. Well, on my brother's Grand Cherokee here, we noticed the tire was a little bit low. So we went ahead and went to put some air in it, and we noticed that the valve stem core was leaking. A lot of people might not know how to repair that, so we're going to show you how. So one spot you don't normally look for a leak in your tire is the valve stem. Well, when you take it off, you can hear that it's leaking air directly out of the valve stem core. What we need to do is replace the core inside that valve stem. So the way we're going to repair it is to use this tool from Slime. It does several different things, and one of them, it removes the valve stem cores. And it even comes with 4 new valve stem cores. So what we're going to go do is we're going to use this tool, remove the valve core, and replace it with one of these new ones. So the way you remove the valve stem core is you just stick it in, and it's got a little notch on the valve stem core. You can see it's coming out. Now, obviously your tire is going to lose air. Now we're going to go ahead and install the new core. Just screw it back in. Just like that, it's sealed it up. Your leak is fixed. Now go ahead, get your air compressor, fill your tire back up to the correct air pressure. A lot of people might run into the situation and think they got to take their car to a tire shop. That'll just waste time and money. This is like a $15 tool that you can keep in your toolbox forever, and it comes with the valve stem cores to replace it. If you have anything else you'd like to learn about, any other tools you'd like to see, post down below in the comments. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Midnight Mech, TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic. Check our other page out, Third Pedal Engineering, and we'll see you guys next time.